Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been active mainly because I don't really know what to post on here anymore. I've been doing a lot of content on Instagram, and that's just where I've been focusing, like my makeup creative stuff there. But I feel like I want to try to get more involved in YouTube because that's where I watch a lot of the beauty videos, and I think it's really informative to share some like tutorials or whatever, especially from a monolid girl with the really small eyes. I noticed like when I was first doing makeup and stuff like that, it was really hard for me to look for tutorials. So for all those monolid girls out there, I hope you have, and everyone else, but I hope this tutorial helps, and yeah, we'll just jump right into it.
Surprise! So here's a little swatch and review. I definitely think Etude has stepped up their pigmentation in terms of the shadow and the quality. So these shades aren't like super different, but the quality is definitely there, and I actually really like it. So now we're gonna start the tutorial. First, you use this base color and then you just put it all over your lid. I'm using a fluffy brush to blend it all out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Then we're using this red color and kind of lining our eyes so that we have kind of like a gradient effect, but it's like from the bottom to top, darker the lighter, and then using a fluffy brush to blend out the lines. Then we're using this darker color to put on the outer corners and blend it out just to give a little more dimension to the look. Finally, we're using this sparkly shade and just putting it on the outer to the middle of the eye. I really think this just pops your eye and just makes it really pretty. Finally, we're just gonna use the same base color and put it on the bottom eye. Then, as usual, I'm just doing a normal cat eye and mascara. You can do whatever you want for this, but this is just a very basic look. Finally, I'm using a contour stick, and this is a cream. It's very natural, to just put some on my cheekbones and my chin just to chisel it out a bit, and blending it with a brush. Then we're using a pinkish brownish blush, and I really like this color, so and I also really like the really flush look, so I'm just packing that on. And then we're using some lipstick. So I have 2 out of 5 of the colors, and the first one is the orange color, and it's OR209. It's an alright looking color. I feel like more of an everyday, and these are from the Better Lips Talk line, so they're more moisturizing, they're not the matte ones. The next color is a red, and this is RD308. It's a very true red. I think a little bit more on the cool side, but when you put it on, it just looks like bright red. There's nothing too special about this, but I think my favorite color out of the whole range is the BR one, because that's just like the colors I radiate to. But this is still an alright color if you're looking for a good red. So this is the look. I hope you like it, and leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!